Hello guys, so today I'm making this short because this thumbnail video has some low voice in some different fonts. That's why I said you like this. In this video, the greeting cards are the same as the birthday greeting cards that I used to make, and that link is in the description box. You can watch it, and it's the same as well. And the speech, I'm putting the speech separately so you can watch it. Okay, so that's all. So I'm really sorry the video has any voices, so that's the thing. I hope you like, share and subscribe. I'm really sorry, so I won't make any mistakes next time. Bye.